Hi, Alessandro.
Hi, Gianmario. How are you?
Very well, and welcome to Bocconi.
It's always a pleasure to be here.
So, Alessandro, you're CEO of Leonardo since 2017, and Leonardo is a big Italian multinational working in aerospace, defense, and security sectors which are crucial for the military, of course, and in fact, the main shareholder is the Ministry of Treasury and Finance. But they also provide, goods over the years also for other important sectors like consumer and durable. Is that the case also for Leonardo?
For sure. I'm always focused in saying that we don't have only dual-use products, think to helicopters, which are both civil and military, but as well we are developing many technologies that can be utilized in other sectors as well, which is, in my opinion, incredibly important because thanks to our research and development activities, we are nurturing other industries.
What is the share of R&D to revenues, and how do you consider the trend of open innovation today?
We invest on an yearly basis more or less between 12 to 12.5% of our revenue base in research and development. Clearly, the development is the most important part, but it's quite relevant as well, the research area. Open innovation for us is really key. Because more and more some technology is developing within the civil domain and is utilized afterwards by the defense domain. So this industry to industry open innovation is key for us in order to be capable to capture the new opportunities.
That's fascinating because it's not just inter-firm but also inter-industry.
Yeah, for sure. This is really important for us.
And Alessandro, what is the impact of digital technologies and in general the fourth industrial revolution on a sector which is already technology intensive?
Again, it's really important. You don't have to consider that we are incredibly advanced in terms of digitalization, for instance, of our engineering activity and development. We don't have the avatar of all our products.
Okay.
So really, to be capable to develop the new generation of products and to digitalize the oldest one is really important for us in order to be more and more capable to be fast and to be close to the customer, but as well to be rapid in innovating the existing products.
Military sectors are famous for hierarchies and rigid control, typically of the 80s and 90s organizations. Today, people talk about agility, lean, loose coupling. Do these words mean anything to Leonardo?
These words are very, very important for us. Leonardo historically is a sum of different companies where the silos concept was the base of the organization. Today we are a single company where we work as a matrix. So to be capable to share information, to have the capability of sharing competencies is incredibly important. So again, we have to move from a hierarchical organization to a matrix organization.
Alessandro, last question. You have a bachelor at Bocconi University in management. You spent most of your career in consulting, banking, impressive growth in the case of UniCredit, and then you landed in Leonardo. So does it make sense to have an economist working for a technology-intensive company?
When I've been asked by the government to join this company, I had the same doubt you have, but they explained to me we would like to have a person capable to really reshape the way of thinking of the company. So we don't need another engineer, we need a person capable to manage the decisional process. So this is the reason why I joined Leonardo. Apparently, they made the right choice because we are doing quite well in terms of results. So I think that is really useful to have such kind of background.
So thank you so much for visiting Bocconi campus, and I hope to see you again in the near future.
Many thanks to you. As you know, it's always a pleasure to be at Alma Mater.